AI isn't the future anymore. It's today's most powerful productivity tool. In 2025, professionals who know how to use AI effectively are working faster, smarter, and getting more done than ever before. So, in this quick guide, let's explore the top AI tools you can start using right now to supercharge your daily workflow. First, AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Notion AI help you write emails, reports, and content in seconds. Simply type what you need, and the AI drafts it instantly, saving you hours every week. Next, tools like Zapier and ClickUp AI automate repetitive tasks. Imagine automatically sending reports, updating spreadsheets, or replying to emails without lifting a finger. That's real-time productivity. For meetings, use Otter.ai or Fireflies. They record, transcribe, and summarize your calls automatically. And for research, Perplexity AI gives you fast, fact-checked answers perfect for learning or project planning. The key to using AI productively is not replacing your work, it's enhancing it. Start small, experiment daily, and you'll quickly see why AI has become the #1 skill in 2025. This is your time to work smarter, not harder.